Hello and happy St. Patrick's Day to all the squad out there. This is Nadia, and today I've got a quick video on how to help get rid of friction marks on your gear by using a fabric shaver. Now before we get started, I have to mention that depending on the severity, this method may not remove the marks completely, but in most cases, the gear will come out looking better than it did before. In this video, I'll be using the Butyrol fabric shaver that I grabbed off Amazon for 12 bucks. If you don't want to use this one, there are plenty others out there for cheap, and I imagine they all work about the same. To demonstrate how to use the fabric shaver, I borrowed my sister's Red Riot joggers. As you can see, these are in really rough shape. Hopefully your gear isn't beat up this badly. Alright. So you'll want to lay your gear on a flat surface and anchor it down if you can. This will allow you to stretch the gear and get a closer shave, so to speak. Turn on the fabric shaver and gently glide it back and forth across the fabric using very light pressure. If your fabric shaver has multiple speeds, start with the lowest one. It's really important to start slowly with light pressure so you don't damage the fabric. Once you get a feel for how it handles, you can increase the speed and pressure if you feel comfortable. If you're working on gear with front pockets, remove the liners to create a flatter surface. Be especially careful around seams and folds so you don't nick the fabric. When you're done shaving, there may be loose fuzz left over, so you might have to toss your gear in the wash to clean everything off. And now for the final result! The joggers definitely look a lot better, but you can see the marks didn't disappear completely. Take care of your gear by washing it inside out with cold water, and avoid prolonged exposure to friction or rubbing. If you still end up with some scuff marks, try using a fabric shaver. Alright, that's all I got for you today. I hope you found it helpful. If you're grabbing new gear, you can support me by using promo code NADIDA at checkout. It's always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.